Oh, welcome everybody. Today we're going to make a light, small, beautiful, fantastic logo, which is Google Chrome logo. And we're going to work on a PC for Windows and using Illustrator program for make the logo. Well, first of all, we need to make a workspace. Go to File, and then New. Hold on a few seconds. Alright, so write the dimensions. The width should be 500 and the height should be also 500, and make sure that you select pixels here, and then the bleeds are going to be 50 for each of these rectangles. And then the color mode will be, of course, RGB color to present the photo on the screen or browse it on the internet. And finally, press Create to create a new document file. Okay, first of all, we need to make a circle here. Go and press on this rectangle tool by the mouse right button and select the ellipse tool. And then press in anywhere on the workspace and write the dimensions. 400 for the width and also 400 for the height, and then press OK. The next step is select the selection tool and then go to Window and then press on Align. Select this icon, Vertical Align Center, and then Horizontal Align Center. Alright, now we have our circle on the center of the artboard. Okay, the next step is go to the desktop on PC here. So to make a photo for the desktop and to pick some colors for Google Chrome, as we can see here, Google Chrome. So I'm going to press on print screen button on my keyboard and then go back to the program Illustrator and go to Edit and Paste to paste the desktop in the Illustrator program. And now we have this photo, as we can see, Google Chrome in this photo. So the next step is going to be pick some colors here. Well, we don't need the strokes for this ellipse tool or for this circle. So I'm going to press on this square of the strokes and press on this icon, None. The next step is to fill this circle with the red of Google Chrome color. Select this tool, which is the eyedropper tool, and then press on this red color for the Google Chrome. Now, as you can see, our new circle is filled by the red color from the Google Chrome logo. The next step is we're going to make a smaller circle to be like this blue circle. Go to ellipse tool and then press here and then write the dimensions 150 for the width and 150 for the height. Okay, we have here a new circle. The next step is to pick this blue color from the Google Chrome logo. Select this eyedropper tool and then press on this blue circle. And now we have this new circle the same as for the Google Chrome logo. Okay, now go to Selection tool and then press on the strokes. Right here 250 for the red color, and here 250 also for the green color, and here 250 also for the blue color. Why is that? To make a whole white color. And then press OK. Now we have our strokes for the circle with the white color. Now we're going to write the strokes by 10. Okay, to make it wider. Okay, now the next step is going to be to make this circle in the center of the artboard. We're going to press on this icon from Align panel and then press on this icon. Okay, we have now our circle on the center of the artboard. The next step is going to be dividing this red circle. Why is that? To recolor it with 3 colors, by red and yellow and also green. How can we do that? Well, it's pretty easy. Well, first of all, we need the best tool here, which is the pen tool. Now, we're going to make here a point, but this point should be at the same level with the border of the center of this blue circle. So we're going to make here a point which is in the same level, and here we're going to make a point on the center of the blue circle. Now the next step is going to be recolor the strokes with the white color. Going to make here 250 and here 250 and here also 250 to make a white color for the strokes. Now as you can see here, our stroke is in white color. Well, I'm doing this to just see it clearly. Okay, the next step is going to make a point here in the right center of the blue circle. The last step is going to make the last point here out of the red circle and also at the same level with the center of the blue circle. Press here. Okay, finally we're going to select the selection tool to deselect the pen tool. Okay, and now we don't want this blue circle in the artboard, so I'm gonna drag it out of the artboard. Okay, and our new selection, this one, which we did it by the pen tool, we don't want it filled, so we're gonna press on fill and then press none. Okay, I just want it strokes. The next step is going to be go to object and then select the path and select divide objects below. Why is that? To divide the red circle below our new shape. And now we have 2 shapes on this circle. Now I'm going to press on the new shape here and recolor it by using this eyedropper tool. Go to this yellow color in the Google Chrome logo and press on it. Now we have our new color on this circle. The next step is going to make another dividing. Well, first of all, we need to select selection tool and go back, bring back our blue circle here to the center, and make sure it's on the center by clicking this icon and also this icon from the Align panel. The next step is going to make the last dividing, which is the greenish one. How we can make that? Go to this pen tool and press out of the red circle here and make sure it's at the same level with the center of the blue circle. I'm gonna press here, and also you can see this thin pink line. That means that the point is gonna be on the center. Press here and press here below the center of the blue circle, and also press here on the yellow area. The next step is going to deselect this new selection by pressing the selection tool. And now we don't want it to be filled, so I'm gonna press on this fill and press on none icon. Now we have only strokes for the new shape. And now I'm gonna make the dividing here. But first of all, I need to drag this yellow area out of the artboard and also drag this blue out of the artboard. Why is that? Because I don't want to divide this yellow and this blue area. I only want to divide this red area. So I'm gonna press on this new strokes and go again to object and path and then divide object below. Now we have new divide. As we can see, we have here an area above and here we have no area below. I'm going to recolor this area with the green color by pressing this eyedropper tool and pick the green color by pressing on it here, and now we have the new green area. Now I'm going to bring back all these shapes from out of the area of the workspace to the center. Press this icon from Align panel and also this icon from the Line panel to make sure that the blue circle is in the center. I'm going to bring back this also. Okay, this is really good. Now we need some shadows here at the end of the green area, also here at the end of the red area, also here at the end of the yellow area. How we can make that? We're going to select this pen tool and make a point here and also make a point here to create a triangle shape. As you can see, we got the triangle, and press on the first point to close the shape. Okay, now we're going to change the color into gray by pressing on selection tool and then pressing on fill. Right here, 88 and also 88 and here 88 to get the gray color, and then press OK. As you can see, the yellow rectangle changed to the gray rectangle. Now we're going to decrease the opacity to make this shape as a shadow texture. Go to opacity bar here and write 20%. Okay, we have a shadow here. The next step is going to be to take this shape under this blue circle. How we can do make that? Go to Window and then Layers, press this arrow. As you can see, we are on the layer of this shadow rectangle, of this shadow triangle tool. You can see here in the layer panels, two circles on each other, which means we are on the layer of the shadow shape. Press on it and drag it into under this blue layer. Now you can see that the shadow now is under the blue circle. Okay, this is really cool. But I need to reposition it a little. Okay, this is really good. The next step is going to be to copy this new shape by edit and copy, and also edit and paste in front. Now we have this new shape on the past one. Now I'm gonna drag it and rotate it like this. Okay, put it under the red area. Need more rotation. Okay, just a little bit. Now it's really nice. Copy this new shape and paste in front and drag it to the last area, which is the greenish one. Rotate the shape. Okay, and put it here. Now we have the Google Chrome logo. But I need to resize this. Okay, drag it up. Okay, now I'm gonna write Google Chrome. Press on this type tool. Press anywhere on the workspace and write Google Chrome. Okay, press the selection tool. Okay, increase the size. This is really good. Change the font. Go to here and write Loshida. Loshida Sans Regular. Okay. Press on this font, which is Loshida Sans Regular. Now we have the same font for the Google Chrome. Press again on the type tool, and press here, and press the space button. Okay. Change the color, choose the selection tool, press on fill, write 20%, write 250%. Here 250% and also 250%. And now we need some strokes. Press on the strokes. We need the strokes in black color. So 0 and 0 and 0. Press OK. Okay, now we have the nice Google Chrome. Reposition. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. and see you next time.